Volvo's remote start lets you start your car from up to 100 meters away using the key fob. Available on post-2018 models like XC90, S90, V90, and electric XC40 Recharge. It's disabled by default for safety reasons. To enable, enter your Volvo and access the infotainment screen. Navigate to Settings, Vehicle, Remote Start. Select Enable and confirm with PIN if prompted. For app-based, link your Volvo on-call account, verify via SMS. Toggle Remote Start in the app. The key fob supports Bluetooth Low Energy for faster pairing. Once enabled, remote starting your Volvo is simple. First, ensure all doors are locked. Press and hold the lock button on your key fob for 3 to 5 seconds until the hazard lights flash, indicating the engine has started. The engine will run for a preset time, typically 10 minutes, and the climate control will activate if previously selected. To stop the engine, press the unlock button or enter the vehicle. The system includes safety features that disable remote start if the hood is open, the fuel level is low, or if the vehicle detects motion. For electric models, remote start preconditions the battery for optimal range.